Hi, I'm Sil, and I'm here to invite you to participate in one of my upcoming group classes. It will happen on December 12th, a Tuesday, from 2 p.m. Eastern Time to 4 p.m. We're gonna spend 2 hours together talking about the importance of your story, and I'll give you tools to improve your storytelling skills. The main point we're gonna work on is modesty and the imposter phenomenon. What I want from this class is for you to feel stronger and more powerful and able to share your narrative and your achievements to better self-promote at work. So be nice to yourself. Set aside 2 hours of your time and spend those with me. I promise you will feel the effects of learning how to better self-promote. Gather some friends, bring a cup of tea, a glass of wine, whatever you like, and join me for a fun and rewarding afternoon. All you have to do is subscribe to my channel, click on the link below, and sign up for the classes. You'll receive an invitation on your email, and we're gonna meet over Zoom, so it's pretty easy. Make sure to bring a notebook with you and block your calendar so you use this time for yourself. Together, we're gonna work on your story, and it's gonna be a beautiful and powerful one. I'll see you there.